In today's video, we will study about trains and the problems on trains. In lesson number 16, speed, time and distance. The two notes we have to keep in our mind before going on the problems on trains. While passing a stationary object such as single post, telegraph pole or a standing man, etc., a train travels a distance equals to its length. In second note, what we have to keep in our mind, while passing a bridge, tunnel, a train, etc., travels a distance equals to the sum of its length and object. We will study or we will go through these two notes by solving an example. So we will go to example first. A 270-meter long express train is running at 81 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross a pole? So as in the note first, we studied that if a train passes a stationary object, as in this case, a train is passing a pole which is a stationary object, so the distance covered by the train will be equals to its length, which is equals to 270 meter. So the distance covered by the train will be 270 meter. So we have to change it into kilometer because the speed is given in kilometer per hour. So when we will change the meter into kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000, which we will say that 0.27 kilometer. So speed of the train is given 81 kilometer per hour. So the time is distance upon speed, 0.27 upon 81, that is 27 upon 8100 is equals to 27 upon 8100 into 3600, because we have to change it into second, so which will be equals to 12 second. Now we will go to the next example that is related to the second note. An express train 440 meters long is running with a speed of 90 km per hour. In how much time will it pass a tunnel? As a tunnel is a long part, so the distance or the size of the tunnel is 110 meters. So the speed of train is given 90 km per hour. So we have to change it into meter per second, as the distance of the tunnel is given 110 meters. So we have to change it into meter per second, which we will do 90 into 5 by 18, which is equals to 25 meter per second. So distance covered by the train will be equals to the length of the train plus length of the tunnel. As I told in the note second, if the train passes tunnel or a bridge, then the distance covered by the train will be the length of the train and the length of that thing. So 440 meter plus 110 meter will be 550 meter will be the distance covered by the train. So the time taken will be distance upon speed, which will equals to 550 upon 25, which is equals to 22 seconds. In this example, we have to find out the length of the train, which is not given. So as the example says that a policeman is standing on a railway bridge which is 60 meter long. He finds that the train crosses the bridge in 4.5 seconds but himself in 2 seconds. What is the length of the train and its speed? Let the length of the train be x. Then the distance covered by the train in crossing the policeman is equals to its length, which is equals to x meter, which we had taken x. In crossing the bridge, its length is x plus length of the bridge x plus 60 meters, as the length of the bridge is given 60 meters. So the train covers x meters in 2 seconds and x plus 60 meters in 9 by 2 seconds, which is given 4 1 by 2, which is equals to, when we will change it into improper fraction, that will be 9 by 2. So the speed of the train is equal to distance upon time, to x upon 2 or x plus 60 upon 9 by 2. So 2 into x plus 60 upon 9 x upon 2, because the train will cover the same distance, so we have to put the distance covered by the train while passing the policeman or while passing the bridge. So the distance will be the same in both time, so we can put down the x upon 2 is equals to 2x plus 60 upon 9. So when we will solve it, so it will come 9x is equals to 4x plus 240. So 5x is equals to 240, so x is equals to 48. So the length of the train is equals to 48 meter and the speed is equals to x upon 2. So 48 upon 2 is equals to 24 meter per second. So when we will change 24 meter per second into kilometer per hour, so we will multiply it by 18 by 5. So 24 into 18 by 5 is equals to 86.54 kilometer per hour.